Good morning, students of class 7. This is your Shipra ma'am, and today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is determiners. This is part 1, section C, chapter 3rd. Okay, so let us start with the chapter. Determiners. What are determiners, children? Determiners are words which are used before nouns to fix or define them. The words which are used before noun to fix or define them. The words which identify or specify a noun in some way. वो words जो noun को specify करते हैं या identify करते हैं, that words are known as determiners. For example, my brother. Brother noun हो गया. If I am telling my, then my is determiner. वो noun को identify कर रहा है. Whose brother? My brother. Okay, his brother. The best boy. When we talk about the best boy, so the is determiner. That tree, that is determiner. Okay, children. So here determiners are words which are used before nouns to fix or define them. They are used to define or fix the nouns. They are also called word fixers. What are they called? They are called word fixers because they fix the meaning of the nouns that are placed after them. Why they are known as word fixers? They are known as word fixers because they fix the meaning of the nouns. Okay, जो meaning है noun का उसको वो fix करते हैं, that are placed after them. और determiners always precedes noun. Determiners जो होते हैं वो हमेशा nouns के पहले आते हैं. Okay, they come before noun. Some examples are given here. This is my book. This is determiner. My is also determiner. Okay, it precedes noun. Book is noun. So nouns के पहले use हुआ है. Alright. I saw a one-eyed man. I saw a one-eyed man. One-eyed man. Here a is determiner. Article a is determiner. One-eyed man. Man is noun. He will go by the Rajdhani Express. Here the is determiner and it precedes noun Rajdhani Express. Okay. So here in this sentence the is determiners. Okay, children. Now kinds of determiners. So the determiners always comes before noun. Okay. ये आप लोग हमेशा याद रखिए कि डिटर्मिनर्स जो भी होता है वो हमेशा नाउन्स के पहले आता है. नाउ काइंड्स ऑफ डिटर्मिनर्स. काइंड्स ऑफ डिटर्मिनर्स. फर्स्ट वन इज आर्टिकल ए, आर्टिकल्स ए एंड द. सेकंड वन डेमोस्ट्रेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स. डेमोस्ट्रेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स, व्हाट कम्स अंडर दिस? दिस, दैट, these, those, etc. comes under demonstrative determiners. Third one, possessive determiners. Possessive determiners, my, our, your, his, her, their, its, etc. comes in possessive determiners. Fourth one, numeral determiners. Numeral determiners, 1, 2, second, both, etc. comes in numeral determiners. Quantitative determiners. Fifth one is quantitative. So what comes under this? Some, much, more, less, etc. So these are kinds of determiners, children. Now we will study in detail about these all determiners. Okay, हम लोग अब इस determiners को detail में पढ़ेंगे. Okay, so a determiner tells which one. Okay, now first one is articles. So articles are divided into two categories. Okay, children, articles are divided into two categories. First one is indefinite ए एंड एन, यू ऑल मस्ट बी नोइंग. जो इंडेफिनिट हमारा आर्टिकल होता है ए एंड एन, दे आर इंडेफिनिट बिकॉज दे डू नॉट रिफर टू एनी पार्टिकुलर पर्सन और थिंग. जब हम इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल्स ए और एन की बात करते हैं, देन दैट इज नॉट स्पेसिफिक टू अ पार्टिकुलर पर्सन. ओके, दैट इज नॉट specific to the particular person or thing, and the person or thing is not specifically defined, so it remains indefinite. और किसी एक person, particular person या things के बारे में बात नहीं करते हैं. the person is indefinite. okay, it is, the person is not defined or the art or the things are not defined, so it remains indefinite. okay children, जब हम ए और एंड का यूज़ करते हैं तो जो हमारा थिंग्स है या फिर पर्सन के बारे में बात करें, दैट इज़ नॉट डिफाइंड स्पेसिफिकली, दैट इज़ नॉट डिफाइंड पार्टिकुलरली, दैट इज़ नॉट डिफाइंड, सो इट रिमेन्स इनडेफिनिट. ठीक है, उसका वो इनडेफिनिट होता है. सो ए एंड एंड आर इनडेफिनिट आर्टिकल्स while the is a definite articles. An article is placed before a noun. okay, you know the article is placed before noun. So a and an, we use a and an before countables in the singular number. a और an का use कब होता है? before countable nouns in the singular number. जब countable होता है और singular number में होता है, then we use a and an. okay, example, a train, a player, okay, an experiment, a question, a umbrella, an uncle. okay, sorry, an umbrella, an uncle. okay, so here examples, few examples are given here children. I saw a girl in the park. okay, I saw a girl. here a girl is mentioned here. A is determiner, it is an indefinite article. A girl, when we talk about a girl, so any girl. okay, not some particular girl, we are not talking about some particular girl. okay, any girl. so here girl is not definite. okay, so a is used here. Second example, Ajay said he wanted an umbrella. okay, Ajay said he wanted an umbrella. An is determiner here, this is indefinite article. An is used here. An is not definite. okay, sorry, umbrella is not definite. किसी भी umbrella के बारे में बात हो रही है. okay, when the person is saying an umbrella, तो वो किसी भी तरह का umbrella के बारे में बात हो रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई पर्टिकुलर umbrella के बारे में बातें हो रही हैं. okay, so here an is indefinite. okay, sorry, an umbrella is indefinite. okay, not definite. Now we will study about definite article. Definite article, the is the definite article. It is definite because it is used to refer to a particular or definite person or thing. The is used to refer to a particular person or a definite person or thing. okay, you all must be knowing this. This is not new thing. Articles you have studied earlier also in previous classes. So the is a definite article. We have to use it before a noun whenever we want to make it particular. okay children, whenever we have to make the noun particular, then we used the. okay, example, the train, the books. okay, so here some examples are given here. The lawyer appealed to the judge. okay, the lawyer, here the lawyer appealed to the judge. okay, when we are talking about the particular lawyer, the lawyer and the judge, they both are particularly talked. okay, the sun sets in the west. the sun एक होता है, particular thing है वो, then we use before sun the. it sets in the west. west is one, so it is used as the. it is particularly, we are talking about particularly, particular. We are talking about particular. The sun is particular and the west, this direction is the particular, so we use both. Sun is particular and west particular direction. okay, now next one, usage of the. okay, where it is used. so children, the is also placed before the following: a nation, a party or a community. जब हम किसी नेशन के बारे में बातें करते हैं, then we use before that the. पार्टी की पहले and community also. okay, the French, the common is the 6. Okay, when we talk about a gulf, a bay, a canal, a river, an ocean, a sea, we put the before. A gulf, the Persian Gulf; a bay, the Bay of Bengal; a canal, the Satluj Canal; the Gomti, the Ganga, the Satluj, the Brahmaputra; an ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean; the sea, the Arabian Sea, the Dead Sea. ओके चिल्ड्रन, ये सब जब हम लोग गल्फ के बारे में बात करते हैं, बे, कैनल, रिवर एंड ओशन, वी पुट द बिफोर दैट. ओके, रेंज ऑफ माउंटेन्स, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट माउंटेन रेंजेस. ओके, जब माउंटेन रेंजेस की बातें करते हैं, देन ऑल्सो वी पुट द बिफोर दैट. ओके, जब भी किसी माउंटेन के बारे में बात हो रही है, देन वी पुट द बिफोर दैट. द एल्प्स, द हिमालयाज. ओके, the group of islands. In group of islands, then also we put the before that. The Andamans, the Solomon Islands. Okay, next one, a newspaper, magazines और famous book. जब newspaper की बातें होती है, magazines की बातें होती है और famous book, okay, we use the before that. The Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the National Geographic, okay, the Vedas, the Rig Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran Sharif, okay, the Bhagavad Gita. So these all come under, these all before these famous books we use the before that. Okay, a public building, when we talk about public building, okay children, जब public building के बारे में बात होती है, then also we use the before that. Okay, public building में क्या था? The Red Fort, the Parliament House, the Lotus Temple. Okay, so it comes the comes before these all things. Okay, when we talk about some families, whole families, the Gandhis, the Khans, तो इसमें भी आपका द आता है. Okay, when we talk about ships, the Titanic. Okay, ट्रेन्स के बारे में बात होती है, शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस, we use the before that. Okay children, I think till here it has been clear to you all. So now demonstrative determinants we will study in next video. Okay children, till then study at home and be safe. Okay, read this chapter, you all must be having a book. Read this chapter, go through the book, and in next video we will proceed further. Okay, thank you.